So our next dish we have is a beautiful gently smoked cod. It's been smoked by Ewing's Fishmongers. It's one of our suppliers. It's an amazing product. Just gently cured, gently smoked, but very pale smoked, so it's just amazing flavour. We're going to serve it with a curried mussel cream and some grey lentils. And also we're going to serve it with a fondant potato and spring onion. So it's all ready to go. Your potato, just once again, with your spring onion, a little bit of butter, seasoned, all ready to go. You just pop it in the oven for, being rustic, it's going to go in for 8 minutes at 180. Very, very simple. At the same time, we're going to put our fish on top of it. So all I want to do is cut the bag, like so. Cut the bag, brilliant. The fish comes out, like so. We're going to put the fish on top of the potato, or just at the side, and then put our butter, seasoned butter on top of that again. All we're going to do is then place the smoked cod and the whole tray into the oven at 180 degrees for 8 minutes. So our smoked cod is really nearly there, really ready to go here. So in the meantime, I'm just going to put our lentil and our curried mussel cream into a pot and just gently bring it up to the gentle simmer. You do not want to boil it because it may just do a bit of graininess to it. You just want it very gently brought together. If you boil it too hard, you're going to split a cream sauce. So we're just going to bring it gently up to the boil, and this will only take about 1.5 minutes to heat up. In the meantime, what we're going to do is we're going to take out our cod, which is in the oven. Once again, we've got this as a single dish. On our website, you can order other vegetables, you can order a chateaubriand, you can order a tomahawk, you can add on to it. So you can virtually build your own meal around the 3-course menu if you wish. So our cod's ready to go, just sitting here resting. In the meantime, I'm going to take the fondant potato out. I'm going to put it in the bowl, you know, and you can just really smell that fish. It smells absolutely gorgeous. And then the cod comes out, nicely and gently cooked, beautifully done, on the plate like so. And all the spring onions really come through beautifully. And all those flavours, I don't want to lose them, so I'm going to put them on as well. That all goes on to it. Nothing gets wasted. And once again, this is nearly coming up to the heat. Everything's been seasoned, mussels have been picked beautifully and cooked, and our sauce itself is not too hot. It's just perfect, ready to go. And once again, these have been cooked the whole way through, and you have to make sure these mussels have been done beautifully. And once again, these are supplied by Ewing Shellfish, and the smoked cod as well. Brilliant. So that's virtually done now. So we're just going to put it into the pan, like so. There we have it. Lentils at the top of it. Beautifully done. And that looks really, really good. Mussels are on there. On with the sauce. Once again, I'm a bit greedy that way. I like plenty of sauce on it. That's just me. And there we have it. One gently smoked cod with mussel and lentil curry and saffron potato. Thank you.